What's up guys, Tia Mowry here. So do you have any picky eaters at home? Well, Tia Mowry to the rescue because I have an amazing, delicious pasta dish that the entire family will enjoy. Do dogs like pasta too? They're part of the family, right? All right, so first what I'm gonna do is brown my meat. And what I'm using for this recipe is ground beef. Now, you can use any type of protein you want. You can use turkey, you can use chicken, you can use sausage. So I'm just gonna add some olive oil in there, add my beef. Got a nice sizzle going on, which is actually my favorite part about cooking. It just makes me think that the party has begun. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna cook this until it's nice and brown. Get it? Brown, your meat. And if you wanna skip this step, you can actually make your pasta with already cooked chicken, like leftover chicken that you had from the night before, cooked sausage, cooked turkey, or just go vegetarian and skip the meat. So this right here is as hard as it gets. And after this, we're just gonna start dumping things into one casserole. So watch how easy this is. I have my casserole dish and I'm just gonna start dumping everything in. This is gonna be easy peasy. So I've browned my meat and that's the first thing I'm gonna dump in here. You know, a lot of people, they ask me, how do you do it? Like, how do you balance it all? I have 2 kids, I have a husband, I love you, Corey, who can, you know, be a kid as well. Just kidding, honey. I love you. But anyway, you know, I'm a working mom. I am an actress, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an author, I'm a best friend, I'm a daughter, the list goes on and on and on. And, you know, when I tell people that I cook for my family, they're like, how do you do it? Well, guess what? This is one little secret. This is how I do it. I make dishes like this. It's delicious. It's something the whole family can enjoy. It's easy. Now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. So I love to cook my own tomato sauce at home sometimes. Sometimes you ain't got time for that. So it is okay to go ahead and get some store-bought tomato sauce. It's delicious. They have plenty that doesn't have any added preservatives and sugar. So this is great for this dish. I'm gonna add some tomato paste. It just enhances that tomato flavor, making it really nice and robust and just really flavorful. So now I'm gonna add my chicken stock, and I like to use chicken stock instead of water because it adds lots of flavor. This dish in particular, it needs a lot of liquid. I want my pasta to soak up all of that liquid. Add some cheese. I've always loved pasta, but I'm telling you, I just really fell in love with it when I went to school in Italy. I was studying abroad for about 2 months, and I lived in Florence and I just traveled all around Italy. It was just an amazing, amazing experience. I mean, the pasta there and just the tomato sauce, the pizza, just everything. Oh my gosh, let's just say I came home 15 pounds bigger. But hey, it was all worth it, right? I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese, which is just gonna make this just so delicious. I'm gonna give this a nice stir. Just mix all of this in here. So you see how easy that was? I just downloaded everything into this casserole dish. And this is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna add my dry pasta to this dish. And I know that seems kind of weird, but this is what makes this particular dish so amazing. I'm not cooking the pasta in a separate pot. I'm cooking it with everything else. So this frees me up to do so many other things. Clean up some rooms in the house, clean up after my husband, help the kids with their homework, check some things off the to-do list. I mean, this is like easy peasy. So I'm just gonna mix this all together. You wanna make sure that the pasta is not clumped because the pasta is gonna expand. So you don't want them like sticking together. So I'm gonna put this into the oven at 400 degrees for 50 minutes. And I'm gonna go in and give it a little stir, probably about 3 to 4 times because I want it to cook evenly. But before I throw this bad boy into the oven, I'm gonna add some foil on top. And this is a really cool tip. So you see how this is shiny? and this is dull. You wanna put the dull side down. The foil helps keep the moisture inside, and it also helps to keep it from browning. So I've taken my pasta out of the oven. So for the last 5 minutes of cooking, I removed my foil and I added some really ooey gooey mozzarella cheese on top. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I also find that this is a great end of the week recipe because whatever you tend to have left over in your fridge, you can throw it in this dish. Say maybe broccoli, peas, zucchini, mushrooms, whatever you like. All right, you guys, I cannot wait any longer. I have got to serve this on a plate. Okay, let's do this. I always like to take the corner because it's just really nice and crunchy on that side. My brother does too. Oftentimes when he's over at my house and I'm cooking, we have to fight for the corner.
You already had your spot pointed out.
Yeah, because this had a little crisp on it.
You do gotta have your spot.
That, okay. In the comments below, let me know if you want to see my brother Taj cook with me. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at that. Ah, this is fabulous. Oh, this smells and looks amazing. And I am telling you, your whole entire family will truly love this. So if you guys would love to see more weeknight meals, let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.